Welcome to the Node Studio platform by Metapool. To get started, connect your wallet by clicking on Connect Wallet at the top right corner. In this case, the screen you see is Wallet Connect. Scan the QR code and sign from your wallet to validate the connection. It's just for wallet recognition. Click Deploy. Step 1. Select your provider. We suggest using an Intel server like the one we selected, but the $14 server is also good enough. Copy your API key from your high-velocity platform and click Rent Server. Step 2. Wait for your node to come online. Copy your IP domain from your high-velocity platform and paste it here. Also add your email address and click Update. Configure your pool, install the patches. Make sure your pool does not have a fee higher than 7%. Click Update on the patch. Type your pool ID. Click Deploy. Connect your wallet. In this case, we used Meteor Wallet. The wallet you connect will be used to collect the protocol fees from your validator. Make sure everything is marked as updated in green text. And that's it, you're all set and ready to go. We're thrilled to have you on board with Metapool. You're now part of a growing community securing the Near protocol through decentralized staking. Let's build the future of Web3 together. Now, there's just one last step. Making your seat price deposit. Quick reminder, make sure to send it only from your connected wallet. If you don't have the funds yet, no worries. Reach out to Metapool's node programs. We're here to support you. You're just one step away from going live as a validator. Let's make it happen. Yay.